I've been meaning to make this video for a long time, and this is going to be one of the videos that's going to be above everything else in the bootcamp because I think it's incredibly important to hear. And I'm going to be honest with you, this is one of those I'm ripping off the Band-Aid videos, and some people don't like that, but I think it's important for you to understand the reality of SEO. It doesn't matter if you're a business owner, a digital marketer, someone who wants to start an agency. Here's the truth. Nothing has to be perfect. I see so many people spend so long on things like just, page speed and technical aspects that just don't freaking matter that much, right? Like, okay, you don't want to have a slow website, but if your website, it loads within 3 seconds, nobody cares, right? I have had clients with like 5 to 6 second load speeds, and they do fine. They rank number 1 in maps, right? People get stuck in this analysis paralysis, just really unfortunate kind of state of mind. Like, I could sit here and be like, wow, look at how bad my webcam looks. You can see like the moving pixels. It doesn't matter, right? And like, this is the thing, is that people get held back by themselves, right? And then they don't achieve results. And so this is kind of a wake-up call video where I'm going to be honest with you. It's better to have something built than nothing at all. You just need to dive in. It doesn't matter if you're doing SEO or pay-per-click advertising, right? Okay, your ad has one small error in it. People don't care. And the reality is that people actually vibe with a human that makes mistakes. I actually had someone a while ago message me out of the blue. This is someone I don't know. And they told me that my YouTube videos have me saying once or twice, and that I need to remove it. People actually relate to that because I'm a real human being. So it actually builds a lot of like trust and things like that. So sometimes actually the having imperfection in your stuff actually causes you to get better results. And it's kind of a confusing phenomena that takes place. And it does. Like, look at that. I'm a human just like you. I said, right? And I think this is something that people don't understand. It's just like having errors in your blog content, right? I've written blog posts, and just by having errors in it, it resonates more with people, and people also can tell it wasn't written with ChatGPT or with AI, and so people actually will then proceed to read more of it compared to if it was written with AI. And so this is something that you need to understand, is that I get questions all the time from people where it isn't really a question, right, that a student has, so much as it's a they don't believe in the process and they want reassurance, or they don't believe in themselves or they want reassurance, or they don't believe in their content and they want reassurance. And the reality is that I can sit here and do that, but it's not a valuable use of my time, and it's not a valuable use of the client's time or the student's time, because what's happening is now I'm reinforcing that behavior of the fact that they need my reassurance to succeed, when in reality you need to trust yourself in the process to succeed, because I'm not always going to be here to give you that reassurance that you need or feel like you need, right, to actually achieve results. And so it's something I really wanted to talk about. This might go in a course, it might go in the YouTube channel. I really don't know yet. I'm not really sure, but I just really wanted to bring this up because I see it all the freaking time, right? I would say about half the questions I get asked in the courses are not technical questions where it's like, how do I do this thing, right? And I know that people, there's this old saying of, no question is a dumb question, and I kind of agree with that. But there's an answer to that, and it's this video. And so next time someone asks me something that I feel like falls into that category, I'm going to send them this video. And it's not that I'm trying to be rude or mean, but I am trying to tell you the truth so that you're better off for it, so that you can go start working on this stuff and actually achieve results. Part of the battle isn't knowing what to do and what not to do with SEO. It's making yourself do the thing, right? I've seen so many people who make 5 blog posts and then they just give up because they don't have, 1 million visitors a month. And it's like, that's not how this works, right? It's a slow trickle down in the beginning. It's a snowball effect thing in the beginning, but people don't want to hear that. And so this is the truth about SEO. And this is the truth about anything in life. Digital marketing, it doesn't matter what method you're doing. It's the same thing. It's the same principle of you can't hold yourself back. You have to either believe in the system and fully implement it and wait to see the results, or you're going to drive yourself crazy. And I see people drive themselves crazy, and it's all in their head. It's a battle in their head. There never was a problem. There never was a challenge. There never was a roadblock. They themselves are kind of becoming the roadblock to their success. So I hope that makes sense. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, subscribe, and hey, if you've seen something similar or you've been through something similar, please leave a comment down below. I'd love to hear what you have to say. But with that being said, that wraps this one up, and I will catch you in the next one. Like and subscribe if you want to become an SEO ninja.